Welcome back to the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. Are you curious about how decentralized exchanges, or DEX, are boosting their volume and liquidity using cutting-edge AI technology? In this video, we'll explore the role of AI agents in transforming decentralized trading by leveraging the innovative Base Virtual Protocol. If you're ready to unlock new strategies for DeFi success, keep watching. Before diving into AI agents, let's understand the Base Virtual Protocol. This protocol serves as an advanced infrastructure layer designed to enhance liquidity and facilitate efficient trading on decentralized exchanges. It uses virtual order books and dynamic pricing mechanisms to create a seamless trading experience for users while ensuring low latency and high reliability. In simple terms, Base Virtual Protocol helps DEX overcome common challenges like low liquidity and wide spreads, making them more attractive to traders and liquidity providers alike. Now, let's talk about AI agents and their role in boosting DEX volume. These agents are algorithm-driven programs that use machine learning and data analytics to execute complex trading strategies. Here's how they work. 1. Market analysis. AI agents constantly scan market trends, token prices, and trading activity to identify opportunities. 2. Smart order execution. They execute buy and sell orders with precision, ensuring optimal pricing and minimal slippage. 3. Liquidity management. AI agents strategically provide liquidity to pools, reducing spreads and encouraging trading activity. By leveraging the Base Virtual Protocol, these AI agents operate with enhanced efficiency, driving more volume and liquidity to the exchange. Here are the standout features of AI agents powered by the Base Virtual Protocol. 1. Dynamic pricing. They adjust prices based on market conditions, ensuring competitive rates for traders. 2. Real-time data processing. Analyze vast amounts of data in seconds to make informed decisions. 3. Customizable strategies. Tailor trading parameters to align with specific goals, such as increasing trade volume or maximizing profits. 4. Low latency execution. Thanks to the Base Virtual Protocol, these agents operate quickly and reliably, even during market volatility. These features make AI agents a powerful tool for both DEX operators and traders looking to optimize their performance. Let's explore the benefits of deploying AI agents with the Base Virtual Protocol. 1. Enhanced liquidity. By strategically placing orders, AI agents reduce gaps in the market, making trading smoother. 2. Increased volume. More liquidity attracts more traders, leading to higher transaction volumes. 3. Improved user experience. Traders enjoy better pricing, faster transactions, and lower slippage. 4. Scalability. These agents can operate across multiple liquidity pools and trading pairs simultaneously. 5. Cost efficiency. Automation reduces the manual effort and cost associated with market making and liquidity management. While the benefits are impressive, there are challenges to consider. 1. Market volatility. Rapid price fluctuations may affect trading strategies. 2. Initial setup complexity. Configuring AI agents and integrating the Base Virtual Protocol requires technical expertise. To get the best results, start small and gradually scale your strategies. Regularly monitor performance and adjust parameters. Stay informed about updates to the Base Virtual Protocol for new features and optimizations. Before we wrap up, here are some questions to think about. 1. How can AI agents be tailored to fit your specific trading goals? 2. What are the risks of relying on automated strategies in volatile markets? 3. How does the Base Virtual Protocol address liquidity challenges compared to other solutions? 4. Are you ready to experiment with AI-driven tools to enhance your trading performance? Thanks for watching the DEX Volume Bot channel, powered by Ranga Technologies. The combination of AI agents and the Base Virtual Protocol is revolutionizing decentralized trading, offering new opportunities for traders and liquidity providers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into blockchain and DeFi strategies. Check out the related videos on your screen to dive deeper into the world of decentralized finance. See you next time.